Yo, what's up guys? Back here with another video. It's your boy, Woman Builds, and today we're taking apart this engine to get the crank out and replace it with another one, because this one's bad. Terribly bad. Alright, so off camera, I already took off all these bolts and stuff like that. They're all 8mm, and then so let's get this water pump off. Set that aside. You gotta get this little water pump propeller off. Let's see if I can get it off with one hand. Come on, come on. Let go, let go. There we go. And also be careful because there is a little washer right under it. Make sure you know what direction it was facing, because mine was facing flat down. Let's get this out. Alright. And now the case cover should. Okay. And usually if it doesn't come off, what you can do is hit the clutch. Oh wow. Okay. I'll be right back when I get this cover off. Alright. And I am back. And here comes the case. So look up on this side. That's where you just attach. Oh, there goes my water pump. Little seal. Some of these must be still in, so I'll be right back when I get this all off. Alright, I am back. I got the cover off, and look, as you know, this is a Henson clutch basket with the clutch hub. So, also the clutch fibers, I believe. So that means that this is, we got a pretty penny in here, so. So yeah, so this gasket is actually pretty good. I think it's actually usable again, once again. Let me see. How good am I? How good am I? Oh, I think we're golden. Oh, we're golden. Oh yeah, that came off like butter. We saved it. Just set that aside. And let's get this Henson clutch apart. These are 10mm. I believe those are 10s. I think. No, those are 12s. Those are 12s. I know those are 12. Yep, those are 12. Definitely 12s. Yeah, so let's try to tell real quick. No, those are 10s. I was right the first time. Okay. So let's try this here. Yep, definitely 10mm. I'll get that. So I'll be right back when I get these loose. Alright. We got them loose. And as you can see, these are definitely thicker springs. And that's why the clutch feel was definitely different than my 2013, because they have stiffer springs. And okay, here we go. And as we go, we pull right back up on this. Whew! It's in beauty. It's like a brand new clutch. I believe it's a brand new clutch. Look at that. Oh yeah, I think got a little meat on it. Okay, this is basically a brand new clutch. So that's not bad. Okay, looks like Kawasaki didn't change their thing at all. Other than that, it's pretty good. Alright, so now we gotta get this nut off, which is, I believe, is a 24? 24, I think it is. Let me go check. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, this is indeed a 24mm. And I got that off. Put that aside, and you're gonna have a little washer right here. Set that aside. And then also, if you can, it's probably easier if you do it like this with the clutch, everything mounted. Take this one off. This is a 15. I believe it was a 15. It's not a 16. One of those two. This is left-handed thread, so it's lefty tighty, righty loosey. So make sure you turn it to the right to get it off. And yeah, once you get it off, you're Gucci. So I already got mine loose. I'll be right back when I get. Actually, I probably could take it off one-handed. One-handed? Am I golden like that? Oh yeah, I'm golden like that. Let's get it. All right. Bearings. Set to the side. There's a little washer right here. You don't want to keep that all together. And then we got this little idle gear. We got a circlip right here. It's kind of a little walled out. I ain't gonna I don't think this is OEM, guys. I think somebody just slapped an Circlip in there. That's a lot of play for a Circlip. Anyway, we'll get to that. We can slide this out. There's usually a washer on the other side of here. Yeah, right there. Keep track of that. I got a little oil in here. We'll drain that out. Take out the little power valve governor. Take that out. Set that aside. Got a little water pump gear in here. So take this gear off right here. Once we take it, oh, I'm tightening it. I'm tripping. I forgot. Keep on forgetting. Righty loosey, lefty tighty. Alright, now as you can see, there's a washer. It's facing this flat side down. So remember that. This one, this is the regular gear. And then they also have this little mini gear, which is for the water pump. Don't lose that. And then also water pump gear itself. These bearings are still in and stuff like that. That's all good. You don't have to undo these. It's only replacing the bearings. You don't have to remove the Kickstarter assembly. It's not required because, as you can see on the back side, it's not mounted to the crankcase at all. So you're good. So all you gotta do is remove this Circlip, and you should be good. So let me go remove the Circlip in this gear, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I got my Circlip pliers right here. Took out the Circlip. It's right there. Just like that, the gear comes on. Keep those together. Make sure there's no more washers, and there's not. So that's all good. I got 8mm right here and a 10mm right here. I'm gonna take these both off. And actually, yeah, that's right. Yeah, so 8. I take this 8 off. Be careful of this spring. Very, very snappy. Very, very snappy. So 8 right here, 10 right here. Take these 2 off, and this side will be done for. We will be ready to split the cases. So let me do the undo these 2, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So we got everything off of this side. It was just simple as that. So I made a mistake. This is not a 10mm. This is a 12mm. Sorry about that. You get the 8 and keep everything together. So we got little spring, a little tensioner. All goes right here. And also there's a dowel pin in one of these holes, and it usually gets stuck in here. Please do not lose that. You have a bad time with shifting if you miss that place, because that keeps the shift drum and the shift star connected together. And if those two are not connected together, it will never be in gear. So you want to be able to select the gears and stuff like that. And so it seems as if I'm in gear right now, but anyway, other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. Next video we're gonna be going and getting that flywheel puller and taking off the flywheel, and we're gonna be splitting the case and taking this crank out, putting another crank in, and slapping it all back together and fire her up, and let's get her going. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Do what you do best. Have a wonderful day. We outie. Disorder, women boys that know fast money don't slow.